Your kitchen doesn't need hundreds of gadgets, but there are a few simple tools that can make cooking faster, easier, and much less frustrating. Whether you're setting up a new kitchen, replacing old tools, or simply looking for ways to make everyday cooking easier, these are 10 kitchen tools you should seriously consider having. Let's get started. Number 10, a digital kitchen scale. If you bake, meal prep, or follow recipes, a kitchen scale can be incredibly useful. Instead of guessing how much flour, sugar, rice, or other ingredients you need, you can measure everything accurately. It's especially useful for baking, where even small differences in measurements can affect the final result. And because most digital kitchen scales are compact, they don't take up much space. Number 9, a vegetable chopper. Chopping onions, peppers, carrots, and other vegetables can take a surprising amount of time. A vegetable chopper can make the process much quicker. Simply prepare your vegetables, place them inside, and let the blades do the work. It's particularly useful when you're preparing large quantities of food or cooking several meals at once. If you don't enjoy spending time chopping vegetables, this could become one of your favorite kitchen tools. Number 8, a garlic press. If you regularly cook with garlic, you know how annoying it can be to peel and finely chop individual cloves. A garlic press makes this much easier. Simply peel the garlic, place it inside the press, and squeeze. You get finely crushed garlic without having to spend time chopping it with a knife. It's small, inexpensive, and one of those tools you may end up using much more often than expected. Number 7, a silicone spatula. A good silicone spatula is one of the simplest and most useful tools in any kitchen. You can use it for stirring, scraping bowls, folding ingredients, and getting every last bit of sauce or batter out of a container. A heat-resistant silicone spatula can also be used while cooking on the stovetop. Having a few different sizes can make them even more useful. Number 6, a microplane grater. This small kitchen tool can do much more than grate cheese. You can use it for garlic, ginger, lemon zest, hard cheeses, and even some spices. Because it produces very fine pieces, it can distribute flavor throughout your food without leaving large chunks. It's particularly useful for adding extra flavor to sauces, pasta, soups, marinades, and desserts. Number 5, a digital meat thermometer. If you cook meat regularly, a digital thermometer can take the guesswork out of checking whether your food is properly cooked. Instead of cutting into your chicken or steak repeatedly, you can check the internal temperature directly. It's quick, simple, and can help you avoid both undercooking and overcooking your food. For anyone who cooks meat regularly, this is a very practical tool to have. Number 4, a good kitchen knife. You don't necessarily need a huge collection of knives, but you do need at least one good quality kitchen knife that feels comfortable and stays sharp. A good knife can make slicing vegetables, meat, herbs, and other ingredients much easier. Just remember to handle sharp knives carefully and store them safely when they're not being used. Number 3, a measuring cup and spoon set. Sometimes the simplest tools are the ones you use the most. Measuring cups and spoons are essential when following recipes, especially when accurate quantities matter. A good set with different sizes means you don't have to keep guessing whether you've added the right amount. They're inexpensive, easy to store, and useful for almost every type of cooking. Number 2, a food storage container set. Good food storage containers can make a huge difference if you cook in batches or regularly have leftovers. They can help keep your refrigerator organized and make meal preparation much easier. Look for containers that are leak-resistant, easy to clean, and suitable for the way you plan to use them. A matching set can also make your kitchen cupboards much less chaotic. And now, number 1, a multi-function kitchen tool. Instead of buying a separate gadget for every task, consider a versatile tool that can perform several jobs. Depending on your cooking style, this could be a food processor, an immersion blender, or another multi-purpose appliance. The advantage is simple. One good tool can handle several different jobs. That can save you kitchen space, preparation time, and sometimes even money. So there you have it, 10 kitchen tools that can make everyday cooking easier. You don't need to buy everything at once. Start with the tools that solve the biggest problems in your kitchen. I've included links to some of these products in the description so you can check them out if you're interested. And remember, some of the links may be affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission if you make a qualifying purchase, at no additional cost to you. Which kitchen tool could you not live without? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful product finds and kitchen ideas.